Hi guys, welcome to the Tech Doctor. I have been using the Paperlike screen protector for a while now. As you can see how many scratches it has got, I'm finally getting rid of it. And moving back to a tempered glass. A review about why you should not buy the Paperlike screen protector will be coming up soon, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So here it is, the Robustrion Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered Glass for the iPad Pro 11-inch. You'll find the link to buy this product in the description below. So let's quickly unbox it. It came in a nice hard book-like package. It had the wet wipes and dry wipes inside, along with the number of tempered glasses that you order. I would have liked if there were more tools in the installation kit, like guide stickers and dust removing stickers, but I guess you get this much only at this price. As there was no microfiber cloth in the installation kit, so I used the cloth that I use for my spectacles. Some bubbles are expected whenever you apply a screen guard. Nothing to worry about. You can get rid of them with the help of a card, like a credit card, and the microfiber cloth. Gently glide them away. It took me some time to get rid of the bubbles, but I had a nearly perfect installation. The screen protector has a perfect fit for the iPad Pro, and I think you should go for it if you're looking for a cheap tempered glass for your iPad. You'll find the link to buy this product in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Till then, it's goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one.